Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a seamless pattern in Illustrator. Once your design is ready, select all of your objects. Go up to the Object menu, hover over Pattern, and click on Make. This will open the Pattern Options panel. Illustrator automatically generates a default pattern for you, but you can adjust it to fit your vision. In the Pattern Options panel, you'll have different tile types like grid, brick by row, brick by column, hex by column, and hex by row. Pick the one that best suits your design. Once you're happy with the arrangement, click Done at the top of the screen. Your pattern is now saved as a swatch in the Swatches panel, ready to use in any design. You can apply it to shapes, backgrounds, or whatever you need. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.